Wonder what's wrong with them.
People home. That bird
Is that a baby bird?
No. It's a girl. 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 Maybe he's looking for his mommy. Or maybe it's a wife.
I feel like this is a baby.
It's not a baby.
I think it is a baby.
It's not. It kind of looks like a grandpa.
Kind of looks like a grandpa.
I'm just.
So he's not moving. Yeah, that's a baby. That's a baby bird.
No, it's not.
He doesn't look like a baby, but it is. Look. Oh, look at him.
Well, why is he doing that?
I think he's trying to learn how to fly and fend for himself. You remember how we said the birds looked like they were gone out of the nest? I think that's one of the birds. What do y'all think? Yeah, I think it's one of them. Because he flew down. I don't know how he got in the pool.
He landed.
But this is a baby bird, y'all.
Maybe he was in the sky trying to fly and then he landed.
Yeah. And he thought the water in the pool, I don't know, maybe he wanted a drink and couldn't get out. I don't know. And now he's all cold and he's trying to get himself together. This is the baby bird. Look at his legs.
He's not copying me.
He's not copying you?
No. I'm singing Baby Shark to see if she does it like me. And she's not copying me.
I think this is the baby bird trying to figure out what he can do to survive.
No, Mom. You said don't get close.
Okay, I'm not going to get any closer.
He just likes looking at things and people.
We have a baby bird. Yeah, that's trying to figure out how to take care of itself. I think that's what it is.
Maybe he's trying to babysit himself.
He's trying to babysit himself.
Yeah.
You're so funny. So the hubby and little big girl farmer came outside to play, and they noticed that this little guy was in the swimming pool here, and it has rained overnight, and it's filled up with water, and he couldn't help himself. So hubby dumped him out of the pool, and he's just standing right here. But this is a baby. We have a nest in our neighbor's house on their back porch, and I think that's where he came from. I think he's just trying to figure it out. I don't want to bother him because he really does need to figure out what to do with himself. But I don't hope, I mean, you know, I hope he survives. Yeah, but this is one of the babies. This is one of the babies. So there's the nest. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there. And I think it's empty. It looks empty. It doesn't look like anybody's in there. I think everybody's just out trying to figure out what to do. All the babies are out. I think it's really where he came from.
If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, first of all.
What are you doing? Singing songs to the birdie.
Yeah. I can fly away.
Yeah, he's just
Why
hanging
not
out.
fly?
I don't know. So, our last frost date was listed as April the 10th, the last time I checked. Clearly, it's past that, and we've experienced 3 frosts after that. So, if you live in Zone 6B, you know my pain, right? And these are the fig trees. I have a This is Fred. He is Olympian fig. I have a, this is Mr. Ellis. He's a white Marseille. And then my youngest tree there is Lil Buddy. He's a Chicago hardy fig. And so if you've seen previous videos, they were leafed out. They were looking beautiful. But, 3 frost days in the past week, the leaves have been damaged. I'm not sure if they're going to come back or not. I don't see any signs of that yet, but I'm hopeful. I don't know. Should I've put them back in the shed? Guys, I don't know. This is my second, not full year, but second season, I guess, with fruit trees. I'm still trying to learn a lot about these. These are cold hardy varieties. However, I don't know what that means as far as, coming into the spring season. I'm sure the leaves will come back out. I'm just going to wait and see. But if anybody has any comments, that would be great. I'm still learning about fruit trees. Here is the youngest Honeycrisp apple tree. And there were no blooms on this tree before the frost came. But overall, the tree looks great. I'm very pleased with her. Is this another tree that I should cut away? I'm not sure, again, what to do here, but it looks like, oh, it's growing off of that. Do y'all see that? I don't know if you can see. Hold on. Okay. So is that a new tree? Should I cut that off or should I leave it? Is my question. I'm not sure what to do about that. But as such, looks good. So if anyone can instruct me on what to do there, that would be great. He's still hanging out. Yeah, this is a baby robin. I think there's some robins in that nest. And I think that's what he is. Little baby robin. A what?
Smash me with the basketball.
He's gonna smash you.
Super basketball.
You do.
Yep.
So this is an experiment. I have some sweet potato slips out here. They had spider mites on them in the house, and I'm almost certain I have spider mites on my citrus tree. So I bought these outside, and of course all the vegetation, the leaves and stuff has died because sweet potatoes cannot take a frost. But the roots look pretty good still. So I'm gonna see if I can still use these in my personal garden, just as a little experiment to see if I can get some sweet potatoes to grow, and if the leaves will grow back after I cut them back. So just a little experiment here. This is my older apple tree. It's a Honeycrisp apple, and it looks amazing. I feel like the limbs have gotten thicker. I was gonna actually cut these off, and I'm glad I didn't. I have some blooms, and I'm so excited. Do y'all see them? Yay! Now the frost has come through a couple of times, like I said, and they still look good. They still look great. So I'm excited to be able to possibly have fruit this year on this apple tree. So here is my raspberry bush, and again, the frost came through. There is damage, obviously, but this looks great. So I'm not sure what to do, really. This looks like the oldest. No, this is a new. That's the oldest wood. Here's some older wood as well. I'm just gonna leave it. But I do need to learn how to fertilize this. So if anybody has any tips, that would be great. I'm gonna do more research, but I would love your comments But Rita the raspberry is looking really good considering the past 3 frosts. Thank you all for watching. Love y'all. Bye.